Alright, so I am going to pour half cup of hydrogen peroxide, and I'm going to dump that in the bag. And you can hear the sizzling because the chemical is reacting to all the stains in there. Then we are going to do 1 cup of baking soda. Alright, so I just added a little bit more peroxide. At least I'm making it 1 cup so it can cover all the stains. Now we have our baking soda ready, and we are just going to sprinkle that in, and let's see what happens. And I'm going to make sure this is all in. And we are going to leave this in for 15 minutes, and we'll come back and see how this does. 15 minutes, and then you can see the reaction already that is coming out. So after 15 minutes, we'll see if this is actually going to take the stains out of the toilet, and that will be a proof that the baking soda and hydrogen peroxide actually works. Make sure you put on your goggles, your eyeglasses, to protect your eye, because you don't want this to get into your eye. And I'll see you back here in 15 minutes. So it has been more than 15 minutes. I let it sit for 18 minutes. So this is what it looks like after the 18 minutes. It has really fizzled out, and you can hear the fizzling, and then the bubbles came out, and even you can see some of the bubbles are still breaking out or going down. You can see that. So we are just going to give it a quick brush, and then we're going to flash it and see if this really works. So I am going to scrub it. And it's very important, make sure you have your glasses on to protect your eyes. And I'm going to scrub the whole back as well. Make sure it gets in the corner. Make sure that this really works. Okay, now we are going to flash.